Beenie Man's son hospitalized. What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Beenie Man has been overcome with sadness after his 20-year-old son Moses Jr., who is afflicted with sickle cell disease, was hospitalized due to complications associated with his illness. The Grammy Award-winning dancehall artist made the revelation on his Instagram page on Friday, where he encouraged his fans to learn as much as they can about the disease, which is the most common genetic disorder in Jamaica. If I really should sum up 2020, me really wouldn't have the words higher. Right now, my son is in the hospital. He suffers from the sickle cell disease. As a black man who suffers from the disease as well, I want to encourage the them to gain some knowledge on it. Send some positive vibes. As a father, me wish I me did dead so instead of him, Beenie added. Moses Jr., who has described Beenie Man as his role model, is also an upcoming artist. Just under a week ago, he released the track Punchline, which featured himself and his father. The university hospital is like his second home, so you can see why I choose to work with this team. They are basically family, so I have to serve them however I can, Beenie said. He went on further to explain some of the pains that his son goes through. He stated that if rain all fall, the whole of your body swell up. The pain that it give, and a pain where you can go get cataplasm for. Sometimes you have to go to the hospital to get an injection for it. He also told enough time Moses just freeze up in his bed when the pain reach him. We just hope him grow it out and get stronger. Several high-profile individuals responded to the post, including Beenie Man's partner, Crystal Tomlinson, who wrote, "MJ, we love you and you'll be back to 100 soon." Fellow dancehall artist Bounty Killer also added his word of support by stating, "Positive vibes, light and love." Let us all pray for the speedy recovery of Moses Jr.